Hello, I am Neil Srivastava, Associate Professor in CSE Department, IAS IPS Academy, Indore. ICI Center ID 1039 and group is 022. Our presentation topic is database normalization in second form. First, we suffer what is normalization. Normalization and what is the requirement of normalization. Normalization is a process that improves a database design by generating relations that are of higher normal forms. The objective of normalization is to create relation where every dependency is on the key and the view the key and nothing but the key. There are a sequence of normal forms. First normal form is the weakest normal form, and then second normal form, that is the stronger, then first normal form. Then we study third NF for stronger than 2NF. Then we study BCNF, that is considered as the strongest normal form. Although the BCNF is the considered as the strongest normal form, but there is another 4NF and 5NF which we see later. Now we already seen that what is normal form and how we consider the table into a first normal form. Now we see for second normal form. Here this is the hierarchical form of normalization. First of all the first normal form, which is a rough idea of in the form of tables, and this is a concise second normal form. Second normal form is a concise form of first normal form. Then if any database is in second normal form, then it is necessary that it is in a first normal form. Then third normal form. Third normal form is a strongest, is a concise form of second normal form. If any database is in third normal form, then it is necessary it is in the second normal form. Then BCNF, if any database is in BCNF, then it is necessary that the database is in 3NF. Now vice versa, 4NF and 5NF. Then we see for second NF. What is second NF? There are two major requirements for second NF. One is the data is in normal form. We already seen that it is necessary that the database is in first normal form. Then we apply for a second normal. Every the definition of second NF says that every non-key attribute is fully functionally dependent on primary. Means every attribute is either is not dependent on not dependent on a primary key. We already seen that what is the primary key, what is functional dependency. Now we take an example. Here is a table employee. In this table there are attributes serial number, name, age, P number, H number and location. There are FD. One FD is serial number and name derives age. Second FD is serial number derives P number, and third FD says that name derives H number and location. Here we first find the candidate key of this table. The candidate key of this table is serial number and name. So the prime attribute, a key attribute is a serial number and name, and non-prime attribute is a age, number, P number, H number and location. In FD1 we can see that the age is a 9 prime attribute, is fully functionally dependent on serial number. Then there is no problem. This FD is in second NF. In FD2 we see that P number is a non-prime attribute, non-key attribute, and is only dependent on serial number. This FD creates the partial dependency. So this is not in a second NF. Then third FD, we see that location is derived from only name. This is also a partial dependency. So FD3 is also not in second NF. Now we apply on FD 2 and 3 second normal form, and we divide it into 3 tables: serial number, name, age, serial number, P number, and name, age number, location. Now these 3 tables are in second NF. Example number 2, there is a relation R, there is a attribute name A, B, C, D, and FDs are A derives C and B derives D. We want to find that what is the relation of this database. First solution is there is a key is A and B. So prime attribute is A and B, and 9 prime attribute is C and D. In FD1, A derives C. C is a non-prime attribute, and it derives only from A. So this is not in a second normal form. So this is not in second normal form. Example number 3. In example number 3, there is a relation R, and attributes are A, B, C, D, E. The FDs are BC derives ADE and D derives B. We want to know whether this relation is in second normal form or not. First we know that the key of relation is BC and DC. ठीक है ना? Then the prime attribute is B, C and D, and non-prime attribute is A and D. In FD number 1, BC derives A, D, E. BC derives A, D, E. A and E is a non-prime attribute and fully functionally dependent on the key. So the relation is in second normal. Thank you.